Welcome back to your juicy advent calendar.
Our mission is to find world peace through intimacy.
My name is Shaft Uddin.
And my name is Ronya.
And today we have exercise
Number 9. Acrobatic affection. The giver stands on his knees and the receiver stands on her hands next to his knees, flipping her legs up and over his shoulders. He catches her with a firm grip around her body and buries his face
into her Christmas pudding.
I'll just cut that in. Perfect. We're done.
Thank you for watching, and don't miss tomorrow's episode.
Make sure you subscribe, follow, and check out our links below.
And remember, the most beautiful gift you could give each other
is your presence.
Yes, it is.